Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what you should do if you see that your appliance is not connected, it's offline on your home application, and there we have the HAIER washer dryer iPro 5. So sometimes you can get the problem that is your appliance is offline, and the first what you need to do is the possible cause of that. It's the appliance went to the eco mode, the standby mode, and if you're trying to start the network mode Wi-Fi again, but your appliance is still offline, let's try to unplug your appliance for the 2 minutes from the electricity and connect it again to restart your appliance. Okay, I'm not gonna wait the 2 minutes with you guys, so we're gonna try to start it immediately. Then go to the Wi-Fi network and wait to connect it. As you can see, the remote control are off, but the appliance is turned on and it's online. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment. Oh, sorry, still not connected. Okay, I think we have to wait 2 minutes. So try on your appliance and good luck. Thanks for watching and goodbye.